Hello everyone, welcome to the new session of Important Breeds, Indian and Exotic. This is the part 2 of this particular topic. So in this session, we are going to study about some more breeds of Indian and exotic breeds of cattle, right? So the first one is the drought, okay? So Kangyam is one of the breeds. So this breed in its native area is also known by other names of Kangnad and Kongu. Though the name Kangyam is the southern and southeastern area of the Erode district of India. So generally, this particular breed is found in the southern India, right? Kangyam is the name of the breed, but commonly it is also known in its native area as Kangnad and Kongu, right? Kangnad and Kongu are the common native name of this particular breed. Mainly found in the Coimbatore, Erode, Namakkal, Karur and Dindigul districts of the Tamil Nadu. So these are basically found in the Tamil Nadu and they are found in these districts of the Tamil Nadu. That is the Coimbatore, Erode, Namakkal, Karur and Dindigul, right? So these are the common places at which this particular breed is found in the Tamil Nadu, right? And Kangnad and Kongu is the common native name of this particular species, that is the Kangyam. This is also known as Kongu and Kongnad. Originated in the Kangyam, the Dharapuram, Perundurai, Erode, Bhavani and the part of Gobi Chettipalayam, Taluk of Erode and Coimbatore district. So they are originated in these districts like Kangyam, Dharapuram, Perunduri, Erode, Bhavani and the part of Gobi Chettipalayam, Taluk of, that is in Erode, right? So these are some of the places where this particular breed has been originated. Best suited for the plowing and transport. So now they are basically used for the plowing as well as the transportation, right? So withstand hardy condition and can withstand in the hard condition means the condition which is not very suitable for the other breeds. But in that adverse condition also, this particular breed can withstand. Bulls are grey with dark color in hump, okay? Fore and hind quarters. The horns are spread apart, nearly straight with a slight curve backward. So here you can see the special features like bulls are grey with the dark color in their hump, right? And the horns are spread apart. These horns are quite spread apart and nearly straight with the slight curve backwards. So this is the peculiarity of the Kangyam. Cows are grey or white. So cows are generally grey or white in color. The eyes are dark and prominent with black rings around them. So with these features, we can identify the Kangyam breeds of this is the Indian breed. So Kangyam breeds can be identified with the help of these characteristics. They are of moderate size and compact bodies. So generally their bodies are quite compact and moderate in size, means not very high or not very short even. So this is the peculiarity of the Kangyam. So the next breed of the drought is the Amrit Mahal. That is Amrit Mahal. So this is originated in Hassan, Chikmagalur and Chitradurga district of the Karnataka. So generally they have been originated in Karnataka, right? And they are best suitable for plowing and transportation. So that generally they are used for plowing the field and transportation. They are not good producer of milk. Okay, so they are used for the plowing, and we all know that the drought breeds are not good producer of milk, but they can be used for other suitable things like plowing and transportation, right? So they are used for transporting materials from one place to another, like in the cart. Amrit Mahals are grey cattle, but their shade varies from almost white to near black. So we can see white color breed, white color breeds, black color breeds, and even the grey cattle, The muzzle, feet and tail are usually black. So their feet, their muzzle and the tail are generally black in color. Horns are long and end in sharp black points. So horns are long, quite long, and end in the sharp black points, right? So this is one of the very important drought breed. Okay, so now comes the exotic breed. Exotic breed means the breed which has been came from the foreign countries. Like the first one is the Jersey. That is Jersey. So origin, this breed was developed from the island of Jersey in the English Channel off the coast of France. So they has been came from the France to our country, like Jersey. This particular species is exotic species is very famous in India, right? And what are the distinguishing characters of this particular breed? The Jersey is one of the oldest dairy breeds. So this is the oldest dairy breed. So a question can came from this particular line. So this is very, very important that the Jersey is one of the oldest dairy breeds, having been reported by the authorities as being pure breed for the nearly 6th centuries. So this particular breed is a pure breed from last 6 centuries. So this is one of the importance of this particular breed. The color in Jersey may vary from a very light grey or mouse color to a very dark fawn or shade that is almost black. So we can find number of colors in the Jersey, right? So they may be light grey in color or mouse color or very dark fawn color or shade that is almost black. Sometimes they can be patchy also. Patchy Jersey breeds are also seen, right? Along with these colors. So both the bulls and the females are commonly darker about the hips and about the head and shoulders than on the body. So this is one of the peculiarity that both the bulls and female, that is the male and females, are commonly darker about their hip region, right? And also the head region and shoulder region. So these are the regions that is quite darker if we compare to the color of the body, right? So generally the color of the body is quite light if we compare to the hip region, head region and the shoulder region. Age at first calving, that is 26 to 30 months, right? And intercalving, that is 13 to 14 months. Milk yield 5,000 to 8,000 kg. So this is one of the very important data from this particular breed. Dairy milk yield is found to be 20 liter, whereas crossbreed Jersey cow gives about 8 to 10 liter per day. So if we are having a pure Jersey, right, Jersey cow, then we can get 20 liters of milk. But if it is a crossbreed, right, if it is a crossbreed, not a pure breed of Jersey, then also the cow can give 8 to 10 liter per day milk. In India, this breed has acclimatized well, especially in the hot and humid areas. So generally, they have been transported from the France, right? So that particular country is quite cold. But if we see the Jersey cows which are found in India, they are acclimatized well, especially in the hot and humid area. So they are now suitable. They are this particular area, this particular climate of India is also suiting to them, right? So that is why we call as they are acclimatized well, especially in the hot and humid areas of the India. Next exotic breed is the Holstein Friesian. Where they have been originated? This breed is originated in Holland. Okay, so this is very, very important point that this particular breed, Holstein breed, has been originated in the Holland. What are the distinguishing characters of this particular breed? So Holstein are quite large, stylish animal with the color patterns of black and white or even red. So generally they are black and white in color or red in color, and they are quite large and stylish animal. So Holstein heifers can be bred at 15 months of age when they weight about 800 pounds. So we can now imagine how large it is. So Holstein is quite large size breed. It is desirable to have Holstein female calves for the first time between 24. Milk yield is 7,200 to 9,000 kg. So this is by far the best dairy breed among the exotic cattle regarding the milk yield. Very, very important point. Very, very important point from the examination point of view, that this is the best dairy breed, right? This is the best dairy breed among the exotic cattle. So question can be asked on this, right? So which of the following is the best dairy breed among the exotic cattle regarding the milk yield? So that is the Holstein Friesian. On an, it gives 25 liters of milk per day. So if we remember, the Jersey was able to give around 20 liter of milk, right? But here Holstein Friesian can give 25 liter of milk per day, right? So it can perform well in the coastal and the delta area. So they are generally found in the coastal and the delta area. Okay, so we have studied today some of the drought breeds and some of the exotic breeds. So the name, the characteristic of these particular breeds are very, very important from the examination point of view. So we must remember all these points, very, very important, right? So if we have a revision, we can have drought, that is drought animal, that is the Kangayam. Kangayam is one of the species that is found in the southern and the southern eastern of the Erode district of the India, right? So this is important point. And what is the common name? That is the Kanganath and the Kongu, right? These are the two common names. Okay, so they have been originated in the Kangayam, Dharampuram, Perundari, Erode, Bhavani and the part of the Gobi Chettipalayam taluk of the Erode. Okay, so they are droughts animals, so they are plowing and transport. They have been used or suitable for the plowing and transport. They give less amount of milk, so they are not favored for the milk production, right? So they are best suited for the plowing and transport. So you must remember the name of the species, breeds. Withstand hardy conditions. They can bear the hardy condition or the hard environmental conditions. Bulls are grey with the dark color in hump and fore and hind quarters. So the horns are spread apart, nearly straight with a slight curve backwards. So this is the peculiarity of, or we can say the distinguishing features of this particular breed, that is Kangayam. Cows are grey or white. Okay, the eyes are dark and prominent with the black rings around them. Moderate size and the compact body. So they are quite moderate inside and the body is compact. Next drought is the Amrit Mahal, originated in Hassan, Chikmagalur and Chitradurga district of the Karnataka. So basically they have been originated in Karnataka and they are best suitable for the plowing and transportation. So again, this is a drought breed, so they are more suitable for the plowing and transport. Next, Amrit Mahal are grey cattle, but their shade varies from almost white to near black. So here in the figure we can see this particular breed is totally white. The muzzle, the feet and the tail are usually black. Horns are long and end in the sharp black points. So here we can see the end of this black is quite black. Now, here we are having the Jersey. The Jersey, that is the exotic breed, right? So Jersey is one of the exotic breeds. So the breeds were developed from the island of the Jersey in the English Channel, that is the coast of France. That is the coast of France. Okay. So Jersey is one of the oldest dairy breeds. So this is an important point, right? And having been reported by the authorities as being pure breed for the nearly 6 centuries. So from 6 centuries, they have been the oldest dairy breeds and they are in the pure form. The color of the Jersey may vary from the very light grey or mouse color to very dark fawn or a shade that almost black. So very dark fawn. Fawn means a baby of that particular breed that is very dark or shade that is almost black. Both the bulls and the females are commonly darker about their hips, about their head and shoulder, right? As we compare to the body. So this is one of the distinguishing character. Age, that is the first calving, that is 26 to 30 months, intercalving, that is 13 to 14 months, and milk yield is around 5,000 to 800 kg. Dairy milk is about 20 liters. So this is a very, very important point, right? So that is the dairy milk yield is found to be around 20 liters, whereas the crossbreed Jersey cow gives quite less, that is around 8 to 10 liters per day. In India, this breed has been acclimatized well, especially in the hot and the humid area. So now they have been acclimatized to our climatic condition, means India's climatic condition. Next is the Holstein Friesian. So this is again another exotic breed. This has been originated in the Holland, right? Holstein are large, stylish animal with the color pattern of black and white or red. And Holstein heifer can be bred at 15 months of age when their weight is around 800 pounds. So they are quite large. It is desirable to have Holstein females calve for the first time between 24. Okay, so milk yield is quite large, that is 7,200 to 9,000 kg. This is by far the best dairy breed. Very, very important point. Best dairy breed among the exotic cattle regarding the milk yield. On an average, it gives around 25 liters of milk per day. So if we compare with the Jersey, that gives 20 liters, right? So it gives the 25 liters. So that is why if we compare to the other exotic breed, the Holstein Friesian is the best among the, if we compare for the dairy production, right? It can perform well in the coastal and the delta areas. So this is the revision of this particular session. Okay. Thank you very much. We will have one more session for the buffalo of important Indian and exotic breed. Till then, thank you very much.